Now that we've got all the salad, we're gonna first add the salt and some pepper, and we're gonna add tuna. I always use this one with olive oil. We're gonna add the corn. We're gonna chop half of this pepper. On small cubes. I'm still in this one. Eccola. So we're gonna add these peppers. Like the colors already. If you want, you can still add some cherry tomatoes or carrots or young onion, whatever you like. Now we're adding the olive oil. You can also add, if you want, some vinegar or lemon, but I just add olive oil and some yogurt. I promise you, like, this is the most delicious, refreshing salad with tuna. For hot summer days, you have to try it. We nicely mix it all together and ready for it. Enjoy, bon appetit mon ami. This is so delicious. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one.